Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you how to fix a broken handle on your toilet. It's very simple, very easy, no reason to call anybody. Just run to the store, grab a $6 handle, and put it in yourself. So there's really only one tool necessary. I chose to use channel locks. There's a nut right here that you can see that needs to come off. That's the only thing you need to do, is take that off. I didn't feel like bringing my whole toolbox down, so I just brought a pair of channel locks, adjustable. Do whatever you need, wrench, channel locks, I would suggest. Just get the nut off. So this is what it looks like. Toilet handle, it's not very expensive, $6 to pick up. You can find them at any hardware store, Walmart, whatever, department stores. Super cheap, like I said, $6. No reason to get yourself in a bind and pay someone to do it for you. It's pretty awkward trying to film. I have a GoPro with a chest mount, but just take this nut off, fish it through the rod, take it all the way off. Now your handle can come straight out of the hole, and that is it. Your handle's off and you're ready to put your new one on. Okay, now that you got your new handle in hand, same thing. Unscrew this nut. Slide it through, take it off, and now, I don't know if you guys can see the hole that I talked about just a bit ago, but it's right there. So fish the rod through the hole and then handle in just like that. Now replace the nut right back on and thread it on. I forgot to mention before, there's going to be a little chain that's connected to the end of this rod. The chain's down at the bottom of the water right now. You don't have to take the water out of your toilet. You don't have to drain your toilet, anything like that. You can do all this with the water in. You have to take the little chain off first. On the chain, there's a clip. It clips into these holes right here on your rod. There's 1, 2, 3. Some of them are a little different, but anyways, the chain just clips to the holes, and that's it. But before you take the original one off, you have to unclip your chain. Okay, so there we go. It's on. Reach down into the water and pick up your chain. And feed the chain onto your new rod. And there you go. Your toilet is fixed in a total of 30 seconds. Didn't have to call anybody.